Hello, friends. Happy Valentine's Day. Today, I've decided to go with songs based on certain classical ragas. And these ragas or melodies in Indian classical music have different emotions. So, the ones I'm picking today are based on Sringara Rasa or those evocative of love. The first song that I've picked is such an exquisite composition. It is from the movie Mera Saya. The incomparable Madan Mohan has composed the song in Rag Bhimpalas. First of all, the rag in itself is exquisite. It is the best Shringar Ras rag. And he was known for composing almost all his compositions purely on very, very classical, standard ragas, but in a very creative manner. This is no exception. The sitar in this song is absolutely fabulous. It's by Ustad Raiz Khan, so another maestro there. It's been sung simply divinely by Lata ji. Naino mein badra chhaye.
नैनों में बदरा छाए, बिजली से चमके आए, ऐसे बरामा मोहे गरबा लगा ले। नैनों में बदरा छाए, बिजली से चमके आए, ऐसे बरामा मोहे गरबा लगा ले। नैनों में बदरा छाए। मदिरा में डूबी अखियाँ, चंचल है दोनों सखियाँ। मदिरा में डूबी, मदिरा में डूबी अखियाँ, चंचल है दोनों सखियाँ। झलती रहेंगी दोहें पलकों की प्यारी पखियाँ, शर्मा के देंगी दोहें मदिरा के प्याले। नैनों में बदरा छाए, बिजली से चमके आए, ऐसे बेबरामा मोहे गरबा लगा ले। नैनों में बदरा छाए।
Anarkali, that came out in 1953, is the next song choice movie. There's a song in this movie which is just beautiful. It's based on Rag Bageshri. Rag Bageshri is another exquisite Shringar Ras rag, and it has given its wealth to the film industry 100-fold. Many, many song compositions are there in Rag Bageshri. C. Ramchandra has composed music for this movie and Rajendra Krishan's lyrics. This song is picturized on Tansen singing in Akbar's court. I think most of you are familiar with the story of Anarkali. It was written by Imtiaz Ali Taj. It's basically a made-up story, supposedly, of the slave girl who entrances the young prince Salim, who later on goes on to become Emperor Jahangir, and she pays for this mistake with her life. Beena Rai, Pradeep Kumar are the main protagonists. And this song that is sung in the court, Tansen is singing this, but these two are looking at each other very lovelorn. Jaag darde ishq jaag.
जाग दर्द इश्क जाग जाग दर्द लगी तेरी, सारा जहान सो गया। आँख जरा लगी तेरी, सारा जहान सो गया। ये जमीन सो गई, आसमान सो गया। सो गया प्यार का सुहाग, जाग दर्द इश्क जाग जाग, दर्द इश्क जाग 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 जाग।
किसको सुनाऊं दास्तां, किसको दिखाऊं दिल के दाग। किसको सुनाऊं दास्तां, किसको दिखाऊं दिल के दाग। जाऊं कहाँ के दूर तक, चलता नहीं कोई चराग। जाऊं कहाँ के दूर तक, चलता नहीं कोई चराग। राख बन चुकी है आग, राख बन चुकी है आग।
दिल को बेकरार कर, छेड़ के आंसुओं का राग, जाग दर्द इश्क जाग जाग।
Rag Jhinjhoti, yet another Shringas Ras Rag, very popular in Hindi films. सीने में जलन, आंखों में तूफान सा क्यों है from Gaman, pure Jhinjhoti, as is क्या से क्या हो गया from Guide, and कोई हमदम ना रहा from Jhumru. All these are based on Jhinjhoti. The one that I've picked for you today is from a 1969 release, Chirag. It starred Asha Parekh, Sunil Dutt. It was a melodrama, the couple meet, they get married, and then disaster strikes. All's well that ends well. The music for this movie was composed by Madan Mohan Saab. Majrooh Sultanpuri's lyrics, though the first line for this song is actually from a Faiz Ahmed Faiz composition. Raj Khosla, the director, got special permission from Faiz Saab to use this line in this song. The rest of the lyrics are by Majrooh Saab. It's a tandem song in the movie. One sung by Lata ji and one sung by Rafi Saab. तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है? You'll hear a little bit of both singers in this.
तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है? तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है? ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले। तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या?
तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है? तेरी आँखों के सिवा दुनिया में रखा क्या है? ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना
की गलियों में चेहरे बहारों के हंसते हुए, है मेरे ख्वाबों के क्या क्या नगर इनमें बसते हुए। पलकों की गलियों में चेहरे बहारों के हंसते हुए, ये उठे सुबह चले, ये झुके शाम ढले, मेरा जीना मेरा मरना इन्हीं पलकों के तले।
I'm ending today with one of my favorite rags, Rag Basant. It's a Shringar Ras rag and it's also a seasonal rag. It's a spring rag. Many songs in Hindi movies have been composed based on this rag. Mere Hamdam Mere Dost, released in 1968, starring the dashing Dharmendra and the beautiful Sharmila Tagore, has lovely music. Lakshmikant Pyarelal's music, Majroo Saab's lyrics. This particular song, it's picturized on Sharmila Tagore singing to Dharmendra. Such a lovely song. Chalo sajna jahan tak ghata chale.
चलो सजना जहाँ तक घटा चले, चलो सजना जहाँ तक घटा चले, लगा कर मुझे गले, चलो सजना जहाँ तक घटा चले, चलो सजना जहाँ तक घटा चले। सुंदर सपनों की है मंजिल कदम के नीचे, सुंदर सपनों की है मंजिल कदम के नीचे, फुर्सत किसको इतनी देखे जो मुड़ के पीछे, तुम चलो हम चले, हम चले तुम चलो, सावन की हवा चले, चलो सजना जहाँ तक घटा चले।
That's it for today, folks. Whether you celebrate Valentine's Day or not, a happy Valentine's Day, and I hope there's always love and laughter in your lives. I also hope I've encouraged you to explore more rag-based songs, or rather explore what rags some of the songs that you like might be based on. Even to this day, very modern item numbers are based on rags. Like Munni Badnaam Hui, Darling Tere Liye from Dabang. That's based on Madhyamavati in the Carnatic style, or Madhyamad Sarang if you're in the Hindustani style. So you see, rags are such a vital part of our Indian film music. I hope I've piqued your interest in exploring this aspect to Bollywood songs or Indian movie songs in general. I'll see you in 2 weeks. Until then, remember, music is food for the soul. Keep listening.